suffer with ADHD without proper support. Throughout this project, we want to break the stigma by raising awareness and highlighting how we can create a more inclusive environment for those with ADHD. Hi everyone, my name is Maruk Shahid and I'm the Publications and Codecore Head.
Hi, my name is Ramin Imran. I'm the focal person as well as the IT media head and the graphic designer of the group.
Hi, my name is Anya and I am the head of logistics.
My name is Willie and I was the head of media and designing.
What are the possible causes or risk factors of ADHD?
So when we talk about the risk factor or causes, or we can say in psychological term, etiology of ADHD. So first thing that comes is about biological or environmental factors, or it can be both. So it like कि जब genes की बात करते हैं तो genetic it runs in families, biological relatives का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and if a parent has it, it means कि 60% chances are there कि उनके बच्चे को भी हो. जो उनका brain का frontal cortex होता है वो as compared to it can be abnormal functioning, or it can be smaller as compared to the individual with normal brain size.
So what are the most effective treatments with ADHD?
Medications are very important. Medication आपको long term के लिए use करनी पड़ती है. They are not for short period of time. Along with medication, behavioral therapies are very important. Counseling is very important. So we have to balance both medications and therapy, and it will work for the ADHD student.
So what advice would you give to individuals with ADHD?
I think for me, I have been working with ADHD and autism and so many other disorders. For me, ADHD, I will define it as it is more like a creativity to me. So you get to think outside of the box, and they are very creative when you work with or you spend time with ADHD. They have a very different mindset. So I would just say that whenever you feel like you might have symptoms, or you have minor or moderate or severe symptoms, you always seek help.
In your opinion, are there enough resources for ADHD students in Lahore?
Resources, yes, are increasing, but I wouldn't say there are enough resources. Yes, the condition is becoming better. There are much more private organizations specifically working for childhood disorders. There are much more experienced clinical psychologists and psychiatrists available right now. But particularly for students, there is still a huge lack, because we still have mainstream schools who are not introducing individualized education plans, which basically target people with special needs. So students with ADHD, students with autism are not able to fit into mainstream schools even now. Inclusive education is still not available. I think Deacon House is one of the rarest schools who have introduced special needs assistant and shadow teachers. So they have inclusive education, but again, that is not accessible and that is not affordable for everyone. So we still do lack a lot of resources in terms of education system, but for private clinical practice, yes, the resources are much more available than before.
What are the potential consequences of untreated ADHD in students?
Untreated ADHD, like I said before, if early intervention is not given, that means that these symptoms are going to get worse or they're going to continue into adulthood. So what happens is that if it is untreated, the same problems that they're facing in an academic setting, they'll be facing in their occupation as well. Or worst case scenario, they won't even be able to continue into an occupational setting. If they cannot retain their attention in a classroom, then they cannot retain a job as well. So in adulthood, it will continue and it will continue to worsen. So it is very important that we make sure that the child receives early intervention.
I know it's an anxiety disorder in which whoever is suffering from it cannot focus much.
ADHD is a disease which is suffered by a lot of people. Because of it, a lot of people have problems when focusing on simple tasks, for even small amounts of time.
ये कुछ बच्चे जो होते हैं मेंटली डिस्टर्ब होते हैं और काफ़ी चीज़ें ऐसे बैठे एक जगह टिक के बैठ नहीं सकते.
Yes, actually, I had two students in my class last year, and they were difficult to deal with. When I read about it after looking at the students or having this perspective in the class, I saw that they were not able to sit still at all, and it was very difficult for them to focus when I was giving them instructions follow. And I asked one of them to bring a fidgeter with them, and one of them said, can I make my own? So I said, okay, you can do that. But I gave them a leverage to do if whatever is easily available.
My brother has ADHD and he suffers from it. He can pay attention to his work even for more than 1 hour. I would help him learn and focus on him and tell him to slowly do things. He shouldn't try to do things fast. He should slowly focus on it.
I think teachers do need to have proper training with a psychologist or an expert to deal with these students, because this thing is getting out of hand right now. Okay? A lot of children are facing this kind of problem from a very young age. Like if you go to preschool or to junior school, children are facing this kind of problem, and you can easily see and now figure it out that they are suffering, and we are not equipped for that at all. We need proper training to deal with this kind.
Where did Parveen Rahman live?
She lived in Karachi.
Okay, so what did she do?
She worked to improve the lives of the poor people.
And what was her opinion on the underprivileged community?
She considered the underprivileged people as the worthy part of the community.
Where did Parveen Rahman live?
I think Lahore.
Okay, so what did she do?
She helped people for community.
Okay, so what was her view on the underprivileged community in the area?
I don't know.
Why do you think you couldn't focus?
I think because of the music.
Thank you.
Something that affects millions of people worldwide yet is often misunderstood: ADHD. Our aim today is to spread awareness and break stigma surrounding ADHD.
ADHD is not just being hyperactive or struggling in school. It's a complex condition that impacts people's lives in different ways.
31.6% do understand ADHD on a good or a level that is required as a community. Okay, so this was a very important question because our community, as we are the Desis, we tend to label everything as depression.
The teacher is supposed to give very clear and brief instructions. Number 3, the teachers are supposed to help these students separately and ask them to make journals. Write everything, because they're not able to remember, they're not able to focus, they're not able to pay attention to what is happening in the class. So what are these students supposed to do? The teacher is supposed to ask them to have a diary or a journal and write everything that she's saying. Whatever instructions, homework, work, anything that she's saying in the class, make them write. Make them.
Principal will come and say a few words, and after that I will be distributing feedback forms. The principal will come and say a few words and just
pass by all these years without being identified that what problems are they facing to. And here, but in our schools, our class strength is big. So we need specialized people to be understanding, but I have noted down that we should be having speakers coming to our school and addressing the teachers, training them how to identify these problems.
Do you know what ADHD is? Yes. No. Okay, so what do you know about it?
It's a disorder, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder.
Yes.
It is very common between children. And it's also genetically transferred.
Yes. You are correct. So basically, ADHD is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and it affects children as well as adults.
म्यूजिक बता सकते हैं कि आप मुझसे पढ़ा म्यूजिक बता सकते हैं उनके लिए पढ़ने में आसानी होती है
हाँ और उसके अलावा सम रिक्वायर स्टैंडिंग डेस्क उनसे बैठ के नहीं पढ़ा जाता सम रिक्वायर रीडिंग इट अलाउड मतलब इसको ADHD है किसी के फ्रेंड्स में रिलेटिव्स में किसी को ADHD है
Okay, so what did you learn from this awareness campaign?
I learned that ADHD is a mental disorder where people lose consciousness and they cannot focus properly on one task. What I can do for a person with ADHD is that I can help them to study. I can make them a standing desk and I can make them notes. Thank you.